The market is full of options. With such a high number of options on the plate, it becomes important for an investor to be able to choose the best out of the lot. In this video, we'll be helping you shortlist the NFT marketplaces and help you eradicate a few options while giving you better ones that exist in the market. Today will be an important day for you as you'll get to know, inside out, about certain marketplaces that may hold very high interest for your investment tenure. Welcome back to the NFT Millionaire, where we'll be speaking about the 12 NFT marketplaces that'll help you fetch a great profit in the coming times. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also let us know in the comment section about the marketplace that you felt was the most relevant with the current market situation. Also, turn on the post notifications to make sure you never miss out on any of the updates. The NFT marketplace could be very spontaneous and you can lose out on the opportunities in just a split second. This calls for a lot of research and presence of mind at all times. Therefore, one thing that you need to ensure is to make a decision as soon as possible, before you miss out on your plans. Also, nothing is mentioned here as financial advice. One needs to ensure that they make their decisions after scrutinizing and evaluating all aspects that are important for them. With that, it's time to get started with the video today and speak about those 12 NFT marketplaces that have been on fire right now. These marketplaces will certainly help you gain an edge over the others who are not really making use of these marketplaces. With new ones being developed almost on a regular basis, it becomes very important to ensure that none of you miss out on the best ones that are available for you to expand. The marketplaces often tend to widen their scope and be in certain technologies that'll make your lives easier. For an NFT enthusiast like us, it becomes extremely important to have a streamlined process for all of the actions involved in the investments in NFTs. These factors, to our good luck, have all been sufficed in the marketplaces that we'll be speaking of. Number 1. Super Rare. For some part of this video, let us keep ourselves restricted to the marketplaces on Ethereum, Solana, and Flow. We'll be moving on to the other ecosystems soon in this video, so stay tuned for that as well. The first one we have on this list is Super Rare. As the name suggests, this place has one of the rarest pieces of art in its possession, which are all set for you to take over. This is a P2P marketplace that has a lot of potential, noticed in recent days. It has been making good use of the Ethereum blockchain and has been substantial in providing world-class technology for the purposes of NFTs. With updates constantly providing at regular intervals of time, we'll certainly be able to notice a significant increase in the adoption of this platform as people get more aware of the technologies that it has been implementing. 2. Wearable. The next one we'll be speaking about is Wearable. This marketplace was launched in early 2020. Also based on Ethereum. Now, this is an open source marketplace that is flexible enough to adjust the needs of all its users. The NFTs here can be created without any forms of coding knowledge, which makes it even more favorable for a lot of users on this platform. 3. Solana Art. Further ahead, let us speak about a marketplace that has been taking over the Solana ecosystem. The next marketplace we have on this list is the Solana Art. This is also the first one to be based on the Solana network. As the Solana network and the marketplaces grew, it led to a further increment in the number of marketplaces throughout the world. This is one of the best places which can be utilized by the creators to freely list the creations. Number 4. NBA Top Shot. The next one on the list is the NBA Top Shot marketplace. Unlike the others we spoke of in this video, this one is based on Dapper Labs' Flow blockchain. The difference in the ecosystem certainly brings in certain advantages, and this marketplace certainly has the edge over the others. The NBA Top Shot is specifically designed for the iconic in-game moments that hold high value in the fans' community. People do tend to buy these possessions, which later gives them a huge sense of satisfaction. This marketplace holds the 8th position on the DApp Radar list. Number 5. OpenSea. Now, we'll be speaking about a lot of other marketplaces that hold a high value in the hearts of people throughout the globe. The first one on the list is OpenSea. This NFT marketplace is considered to be the first and the largest peer-to-peer market. With more than 21,000 users and 20,000 plus transactions already, this has a stronghold on the market. It is also the first one on the list on DApp Radar. Number 6. Axi Infinity. The next one we have is the Axi Infinity. The aim here is to battle, collect, and then earn through them. It also aims to create economic freedom, and hence it is considered to be one of the best platforms to make a good profit. It is also considered to be one of the most reliable marketplaces and, therefore, ranks at number 2 on the DApp radar list. Number 7. Decentraland. Decentraland is the next one we have for you and is also one of the most famous ones. This cryptocurrency stands at number 5 on the DApp radar list and is also based on the Ethereum platform. This fully decentralized marketplace is a hotspot for NFTs due to the zero application fees. Being built on Ethereum gives it an upper hand in the market. Number 8. Atomic Market. The next one we have for you is Atomic Market. This marketplace stands at number 7 on the DApp radar list and is certainly a good contender to become the best one in the market. One other marketplace that stands in a good position and is built on Solana is OpenSea. This marketplace stands at number 10 on the same list and has been constant in providing good assistance to its users. It's still developing, however, we think it has a long way to go in terms of technology. Number 9. Foundation. Foundation is yet again another potential marketplace that could become one of the most important venues for NFT traders. It stands at number 12 on the list and is very significant in the way it has been developing over the past weeks. It is based on Ethereum and has all the benefits that arisen therein. Number 10. Magic Eden. Magic Eden stands at number 4, however, we think that it still stands a long way to go before we call it one among the best. We think that developers have played a crucial role in uplifting this marketplace in the list, and at the same time, the support from the community here has also been constant. Number 11. Engine. Up next, we have the Engine Marketplace, which also has its own significance in the market. It is one of the most reliable marketplaces and has proven to be stable over the course of the years. It has also seen over $43 million being spent on Engine coins. The numbers all add up to a good future for this NFT marketplace. Number 12. Mintable. Mintable is yet another marketplace that holds high value in the community. It has been one of the most innovative marketplaces and it constantly tries to bring something new into the market. This specialty has brought a lot of recognition to the table, and we're certain that one among them will make them even more popular than they already are. So, there we have it. These were the 12 marketplaces that you should focus on right now. Hit the like, subscribe, and let us know what you feel. We'll meet again at the same place.